Good morning. Today I'm hoping to change the top Arris rail on this fence. It wobbles to say the least. The Arris rail's actually given up. I'm hoping to put these brackets in and put an Arris rail in between, and problem solved. First of all though, gotta get all these off. No worries, see you soon. As you can see, I'm halfway through already. It's very easy when you've got the right tools. Crowbar in this case. It's dead easy. Straight behind it. Pull it out, nails and all. Put it over there for later. You don't want to watch me doing all these. I shall come back when I've done. As you can see, this Arris rail has snapped. So what I'm going to do is to put these brackets in the tenons up there, one at each end, offer up the new Arris rail, cut it down to size, put it in these brackets, screw it on, put the panels back. Well, as you can see, the Arris rails are up. Unfortunately, this one's not as good as it could be, but I don't have any other brackets for it. The bottom one's okay. So I guess I'll change this one next time. But now I've got to do is put all these back. It's actually going to be relatively easy considering taking them off. I'm going to screw them on, not nail them. Yes, it's lots of screws. See you later. Sometime later. Unfortunately, the middle Arris rail split. It was going anyway, as you may have seen earlier. Lucky I've got a spare Arris rail and a bracket. I've made a tenon on that end and brackets on this end. All I have to do some screws and we'll be done. As you can see, third of the way done. I'm screwing all of them in, so it's taking longer, but it'll be worth it in the end. As you can see, it's getting there, nearly done, but it's going to be dark before I finish. Did I mention I'm taking out all the nails of the old boards? That's also not helping with time. I thought I would show you what the original reason was. Here we go. This is a tenon as it should be. This is the one that was. It's just rotted and snapped off. That's why to change the Arris rail. See you later. Well, just as it's starting to get really dark, I finished. Job well worth doing, it had to be done. As usual, thanks for watching.